Hello and welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be installing the supercharger back onto the SL. So far we have already installed the snout and we put the whole entire blower back in. In case you missed it the last episode, we basically put this drum back in. But now it's time to work on the blower, and this is an 85mm ported snout blower. This is a throttle body, this is the plate, but first thing we got to do is we got to put some RTV on here. So Dad's about to start doing that. As far as this goes, so when we were powder coating this plastic piece melted off. This is brake booster. So this brake booster, honestly, it's plugged from factory. There are a couple cars that don't have it plugged, but the SL55 and I believe the E55 are plugged. So this, I'm just gonna plug it, and then this is one of these valves is blocked off. The other one is used as what something from the car. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put the RTV on. There's a little lip right here that faces up and outwards, and then the ones that are decreased like that.
Yes, this.
What is it?
Oh, it's 4mm.
And then to tighten these, we're using a 4mm Allen socket. Just hand tight, as tight as you can get it with your hand. That should be good enough. Now for the throttle body, very easy. You just put some RTV on this, and then it sits up just like this where that nipple is, and it fits perfectly. Again, this is a 85mm throttle body. The snout, you can get it ported on VRP's website, and then for the throttle body, here is the part number if you guys want to go ahead and pick one up for yourselves. It's a Mercedes factory part. I don't know from what car, but it's gonna plug and play, so no problems there. To tighten these,
Yeah,
6mm Allen. Just make sure you get the adapter plate if you're going to be buying the 85mm throttle body. They sell it on VRP's website.
this part is not gonna be painted, right?
It's going to be painted.
The whole thing?
Just this upper portion, like on the CLS. Put the gasket on this, all nice and done. Now we're gonna tighten our last bolt and put the blower back in the engine.
Why do you step on that? Up, get up. Now it's in.
Now it's in.
100%
Did we miss any? There's no clip for it to.
I know that's alright. Don't pull.
What the heck?
Glue's there. Okay. So that's why we gotta glue this thing, otherwise it's gonna pop up. And make sure you don't lose the washer. I mean, washer. Right. Make sure you go straight. Okay, get the other one. That's it.
I
That's
haven't
it.
even.
Okay, here.
That's it.
With the
Stop
other side.
recording. Stop recording.